Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be learning how to blur your background in OBS on a Mac using Stream Effects. So let's get started. We need to go to this website, to which I have given the link in the description below. So after going to this website, we need to scroll down to the bottom and click on Stream Effects Mac-OS installer.pkg, which is package. And after that we need to click on save. And after it downloads, we need to click on the package and it will say Stream Effects Mac-OS installer cannot be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. So we need to click on OK and we need to head over to System Preferences, and here we need to go to Security and Privacy, and here the bottom we need to click on Open Anyway, and again we need to click on Open. And now we need to finish the installation process. After installing the package, we need to open OBS, and here in this scene I'll add a new video capture device. Name it as Video Capture Device 2, and now I'll use the FaceTime HD camera, which is my laptop's camera. Hit OK, and now I'll right click on the camera and go to Filters. And here I'll add an effect filter, and here we need to click on blur, and here I'll hit OK, and now we need to click on apply a mask, and we need to adjust the blur so that it covers our face and some parts near our body, just like this. I'll actually increase the size of the blur, and I'll adjust the blur, some on the right, and now we need to go down to the bottom and click on invert region, and voila, you have blurred your background in OBS using Stream Effects. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video then smash the like button, subscribe to my channel Harshil's Corner, and see you in my next video.